Today I'm going to show you the best U-locks for e-bikes and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Meet the Seatylock FoldyLock Mini Lightweight Folding Bike Lock with Keys, 29.5 in, priced at $141.06. It comes as a set of 2 matching mini locks with 6 identical interchangeable keys and 2 carrying cases, making it a convenient double bike security kit for couples and adults with kids. This compact, lightweight folding lock is designed for city, outdoor, and urban cycling, with bolt cutter, drill, and saw-proof protection. Built for 3 years of peace of mind, it features a hardened rainproof and weatherproof design, anti-tamper rivets, and a multi-locking system to help stop thieves. The premium frame mount and folding design helps provide a quiet, no-rattle ride and is suitable for mountain, road, sport, standard, and electric bikes, as well as scooters. At just 890 grams or 1.95 pounds, this sold secure silver safety tool opens to 29.5 inches and offers lightweight anti-theft protection. Number 2. Meet the Seatylock Mason Bike U-Lock, priced at $68.38, a patented heavy-duty anti-theft diamond secure U-Lock designed as a lightweight, portable, and solid professional lock with a security level of 19/20. Built for outdoor and urban cycling, it uses no code or chain and is designed to resist bolt cutters, drills, picking, and saws. Its ultra-strength heavy-duty anti-theft technology features anti-cut, durable, waterproof, and weatherproof protection, along with anti-theft triangle-shaped crossbars and a strong tested guard system to help stop thief attacks. The compact design provides reliable high-performance protection with a rust prevention coating and components for dependable everyday use. A unique automatic keyhole shutter helps protect against dust, dirt, rain, and weather, making it suitable for e-bikes, road bikes, electric bikes, scooters, and motorcycles. The U-Lock also features double-thickness protective plates for extreme safety, combining lightweight design with maximum security. Please note, the mounting bracket is sold separately. Number 3. Meet the Kryptonite New York Long Shackle Bike U-Lock, heavy-duty anti-theft security bicycle lock sold secure gold, 16mm long shackle with keys, ultimate security lock for bicycles e-bike scooters, priced at $125.55. Made from a 16mm hardened max performance steel shackle, this lock provides ultimate resistance against cutting and leverage attacks. Its patented hardened double deadbolt design adds protection against twist attacks, while the high-security disc-style cylinder is resistant to picking and drilling. It's also versatile enough to secure bicycles, sports equipment, gates and fences, toolboxes and ladders, grills and lawnmowers, skateboards, truck beds, and more. With 4 by 10.25-inch interior locking dimensions, a 4.85-pound weight, 3 keys, and a 9 out of 10 ultimate security rating, it's built for serious protection. The Kryptonite Key Safe program can ship your first 2 replacement keys globally, excluding shipping and handling, after registering your unique key code. The lock is also eligible for Kryptonite's anti-theft protection offer with up to $4,000 coverage for registered locks. Number 4. Meet the Bike Lock's heavy-duty anti-theft 18mm thick motorcycle U-Lock with 4-foot x 6mm security chain, 3 keys large U-shape electric bicycle wheel lock for a bike, a scooter, fat tire dirt bike, tricycle, priced at $32.99. This heavy-duty set combines an ergonomic double-open U-Lock with a 6mm by 120cm motorcycle chain, featuring a 0.7-inch or 18mm hardened steel shackle, 7.8 by 9.2-inch external dimensions, 5.5 by 7-inch internal dimensions, and a 1.6 kg U-Lock weight for added theft resistance. The chain uses high-quality 3T manganese steel, designed to resist cutting and lever attacks. Its zinc alloy cylinder and ergonomic U-shape help prevent technical opening, while 3 strong brass keys eliminate the need to remember a code. The chain has a durable nylon protector, and the U-Lock features a silicone outer protector for weather resistance and scratch protection. The 120cm chain can lock 3 to 4 tricycles together and offers multiple locking options with 2 different sized steel rings. It's suitable for electric motorcycles, motorbikes, e-bikes, electric scooters, mopeds, tricycles, bicycles, lawnmowers, gates, fences, ladders, grills, sports equipment, and toolboxes. Number 5. Meet the Kryptonite New York U-Lock M18WL, heavy-duty anti-theft security bicycle lock, ultimate security lock for bicycles e-bike scooters, priced at $216.95. Designed as a maximum security U-lock for high-theft areas, it features a patented hardened double deadbolt design for additional protection against twist attacks, along with a high-security disc-style cylinder resistant to picking and drilling. This versatile Kryptonite bike lock is ideal for securing bicycles, sports equipment, gates and fences, toolboxes and ladders, grills and lawnmowers, skateboards, truck beds, and more. Through the KeySafe program, Kryptonite will ship your first 2 replacement keys for free, globally, if you lose them, after registering your unique key code. The lock is also eligible for Kryptonite's anti-theft protection offer with up to $4,000 coverage for registered locks. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty and dedicated customer experience support for added peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.